Hello friends, my name is Vikas. So friends, in this video we will be discussing some of the important current affairs of the topic sports of September month. This video will be very helpful to you, so do watch the video till the end, hit the like button and share the link of this video with your friends. So friends, we'll start with the session, but before that we have something important to tell you about. So students, we have an app by the name Careers Cloud which you can go and download using the Play Store, and it is available only for the Android users as of now. Once you have downloaded and opened the app, you will see a page such as the second screen here. Then you just need to log in with your Google ID, or you can say with your Gmail ID on this application, and once you have logged in, you are ready to use the particular application. As you can see, you will be seeing here my course, all courses, crack current affairs. Just click on any of those and you will be directed to a second page. Here now, what are the features or why we recommend you to use the app? Because on the app we provide you daily current affairs both in English as well as in Hindi. Both Hindi and English current affairs are provided you daily along with the quiz sessions. This is important. We provide you daily with the quiz sessions that will help you to brush up your current affairs that you gain today through our video or any other notes provided. These English and Hindi PDFs are also provided to you daily. This is provided on our app course that you can go and purchase. Two types of courses are there, 1 year plan and a second year plan, which you can opt as per your need. Then we provide you with weekly videos, not just weekly videos on YouTube and monthly videos, daily videos are also given. Apart from that, weekly PDFs of current affairs are provided to you. Compiled PDF of current affairs of the whole week will be provided to you both in English as well as in Hindi. Then similarly for the month also you will be provided a compiled video of the whole month both in English as well as in Hindi PDF for the current affairs that will brush up your current affairs very much. Apart from this, we provide you with the topic wise current affairs, topics such as apps and web portals, important days, books and authors. Then comes your sports, then comes your obituary, national affairs, international affairs, sports. These all topics are covered by us on our YouTube channel, which you can go and check it out also. Very important this section, because we provide you with the PDFs also with them that helps you to revise through a particular order, and it is very helpful to you, so you should definitely check it out. Then apart from it, we provide you questions regarding your particular exams also, such as bank, related to your banking. We provide you questions, we provide you PDF, we provide you material that will help you to revise those topics, those important topics. So very important. All right, so I definitely recommend you to check our app and do revise and to purchase the courses, because they will be very helpful to you. These I strongly recommend you to use our app as well as website, and the quiz provided on the app is very helpful to you on the daily basis, and our monthly study material for your exams will do wonders. So do watch the video for the revision purposes, they are very helpful. And if you use my code Vikas10, straight away you will be getting an additional 10% discount on the purchase you made using the application. So additional discount for you students just from my side. It is a happy hour sale, you can say, 10% discount using Vikas10. So friends, let's start with the session now. So friends, let's start. First is about Dale Steyn. Dale Steyn is from which sport of, first of all, he is related to cricket. Then the question can be asked, he has recently took retirement from all the forms of cricket. He belongs to the team of which country? He belongs to South Africa. Alright. He was a part of South African cricket team. Dale Steyn. He has taken retirement from the all forms of cricket. Next is your Princepal Singh became the first Indian to be a part of NBA championship roster. What is NBA championship? This is related to your basketball. So who became the first Indian to be part of NBA championship roster? He was Princepal Singh from Punjab, became the first Indian to be a part of NBA title winning team at any level of the NBA when his teammates Sacramento Kings won the 2021 NBA Summer League in Vegas in United States against the Boston Celtics. So I repeat, what is the name of the team of which Princepal Singh Bajwa is part? He is part of Sacramento Kings. All right. Next. Next is Lashit Malinga. First of all, tell me he's related to which sport he is related to. We all know cricket. Question can be asked. It won't be asked. He was a fast bowler. Apart from it, remember he belongs to which cricket team? Which country's cricket team? He belongs to Sri Lanka's cricket team. And he has also announced retirement in all the formats of cricket. There are three formats: Test, ODI, that is one day, and your T20 format. Then, if we talk about some US Open title for the year 2021, if we are talking about men category, the winner is Daniil Medvedev. Alright, Daniil Medvedev, and he is from Russia. He was the winner. If we are talking about runner up, he was Novak Djokovic from Serbia. If we are talking about men's singles, then if we talk about women's singles, Emma Raducanu from Britain has won the US Open from women's category and women's singles. And if we are talking about the runner-up, basically runner-ups are not asked in your exam, but still you should know. Winners are more important. Daniil Medvedev, and women's were Emma Raducanu of Britain. Country also asked, can be asked in your exam. Next we'll be talking about Cristiano Ronaldo. Recently, Guinness World Records has honored Cristiano Ronaldo for becoming highest scoring man in international football. I repeat, and this is important, so do take a note of it. Who is the person who was recently honored by Guinness World Records for becoming highest scoring man in international football? He is Cristiano Ronaldo. Next, related to similar topic, Guinness World Record has honored Portugal player. Yes, also you should know Cristiano Ronaldo belongs from Portugal. Portugal player Cristiano Ronaldo for becoming the highest scoring man in international football history with his 111th goal for Portugal against Ireland in the World Cup qualifier. This marks his 180th game representing Portugal. Alright, so Guinness World Record honored famous Portugal player Cristiano Ronaldo. Next, another important news. Recently, eSport medal event announced for the 19th Asian Games for the year 2022. Esport events, games such as video games, your FIFA, Call of Duty, PUBG and another games will be included in this 19th Asian Games 2022. Alright. For the first time in Asian Games, 8 electronic sports are included in the medal events at the 19th Asian Games 2022, which are going to be held in Hangzhou, China. The games will start from 10th of September 2022 and will continue till 15th or 25th of September. The Olympic Council of Asia announced the titles for the debut of esports. It includes 8 medal events and 2 demonstration games, means 8 video games will be provided to you, and if you won in them you will be provided with medals such as your normal sports. Next we'll be talking about Indian Grandmaster Inian has won the Noisel International Open Chess Tournament. Question will be asked, Noisel International Open Chess Tournament was won by whom? It was won by the Indian Grandmaster Inian. Indian Grandmaster Inian won the 6th Noisel International Chess Open 2021. This tournament was held between 23rd to 28th of August in Noisel in France. Inian scored a double triumph at 6th Noisel International Open as he won both classical as well as blitz events. Important is the name of the person or the name of the Indian Grandmaster Inian, who won the Noisel International Open Chess Tournament that took place in France. Next is also important. Max Verstappen has won the F1 Dutch Grand Prix for the year 2021. It was won by Max Verstappen, as you can see him in the picture. Max Verstappen drives for which racing company? He drives for Red Bull company, or you can say Red Bull's racer. Max Verstappen, who is 23-year-old and is from Netherlands, has won the 2021 Formula 1 Heineken Dutch Grand Prix that was held at the circuit of Zanderwood in the dunes of North Zanderwood, Netherlands. This victory also marks his 7th win of the season and the 17th win of his career. Next is related to your Italian Grand Prix. I repeat, next is your Italian Grand Prix that was won by Daniel Ricciardo. Alright, this was followed by Max Verstappen and Hamilton's crash. I repeat, who won the Italian Grand Prix? It was won by Daniel Ricciardo. If we talk about him, he is related to which country he is related, or he belongs from Australia. He is McLaren's driver. Daniel Ricciardo won the Italian Grand Prix, making the first victory since 2018. Notably, this is McLaren's first win after 9 years. Ricciardo was closely followed by McLaren's Lando Norris and Mercedes' Valtteri Bottas, finishing the race in the second and third position, and in this Max Verstappen and Hamilton crashed during this Italian GP. Next, another information that you need to know: International Olympic Committee has suspended which country to till which year to take part in the Olympic Games. So remember, International Olympic Committee has suspended North Korea to take part in the Olympic Games till which year? Until the end of 2022, after it failed to send a team to Tokyo Games. So till 2022, North Korea will be banned from Olympic Games. Similar things are mentioned here. If we look at the data, IOC suspended North Korea till 2022 as they failed to send team to Tokyo Games. With this suspension, the country will miss the Beijing Winter Games 2022 and it will not receive financial aid during the suspension. To protect its athletes from COVID-19, North Korea did not send a delegation to the Tokyo Games. IOC reserves the right to make decisions on any individual North Korean athletes who qualify for Beijing 2022 and to reconsider the duration of the country's suspension. Moving on. Next we'll be talking about India's 17th Grandmaster. I repeat, India's 17th Grandmaster. He is Raja Ritwik. As you can see him in the picture, he became the 17th Grandmaster of India. And if we talk about the 69th Grandmaster, he is Pune's Harshit Raja. I repeat, Pune's Harshit Raja became the 69th Grandmaster and Raja Ritwik became the 17th Grandmaster of India. Raja Ritwik, who is just 17, became the 70th Grandmaster after defeating FIDE Master Finek Vaclav of Czechoslovakia in 57 moves and reaching the live rating of 2501 in the Grandmaster Chess tournament that held at Budapest, Hungary. He is from which state? He is from Telangana. Ritwik earned his first Grandmaster in 2019 and he got his third Grandmaster in the first Saturday Grandmaster round robin tournament at Budapest, Hungary by scoring 7 out of 9 rounds. Moving on. Next we'll be talking about Together for a Shared Future. This is the motto for the Beijing 2022. I repeat, recently motto for the Beijing Olympic Games 2022 was released. What is the theme or the motto? Together for a Shared Future is the motto of the Beijing Olympic Games that will be held in the year 2022, and it can also be said these are the Winter Olympic Games and the Paralympic Games, or basically we will say Beijing Olympic Games are the Winter Games that will be held in where? In the China, Beijing, and the motto is Together for a Shared Future. Next is related to Lewis Hamilton. Lewis Hamilton became the first player in the history to secure 100 victories with his record-winning win in the Russian Grand Prix. I repeat, when he won the Russian Grand Prix, it was the 100th win of the Lewis Hamilton, and he secured a new record by registering the 100th win after finishing the first in Russian Grand Prix. So question can be asked, Russian Grand Prix was won by whom? It was won by Lewis Hamilton. Alright. So friends, this was our video. I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. Vikas signing off. So friends, this was our video. I hope you enjoyed our video. If you liked our video, do hit the like button, share the link with your friends, and if you haven't subscribed to our channel or if you are new to our channel, then do subscribe because it motivates us to bring a better content for you guys. Also, if you have any trouble regarding login or payment or any other issues, then you can reach to us on our mail, that is support@affairscloud.com, or you can call us on the number 9677333862, and we'll resolve your issue as soon as possible. Also, you should go and check our courses that are available at a very reasonable price, and that will help you to boost your preparation.